Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I've picked up a new digital ultrasonic cleaning tank from Vivor, and I'm going to go ahead and clean one of my first parts in it. It's going to be this 65D distributor here that I'm going to go ahead and recurve later on. But I thought, what better way to test it than to just drop a dirty part in. Now, I have seen some people, they put their parts inside plastic bags and then put the solvent in the bag so that it cleans the part but doesn't get the tank dirty. So that's what I'm going to do with the tank here, just as an experiment. But yeah, we'll go ahead and run it for the 30-minute timer, and I'll pull it out and have a look and see what it looks like. So I'm really excited to do this. I've always wanted to get one of these tanks before, but just never got around to doing it. And finally, I've broke down and decided, okay, I'll go ahead and get one and clean some parts. So hopefully, you guys think this is going to be an interesting one. Like I said, I'm really excited to see what this thing's capable of doing, especially with the heating element, so it can keep the solvents at a high temperature, which makes them more effective for cleaning parts like this. So, like I said, up to temperature, then I'll run it, and then I'll take a look and see what it looks like. If you guys have solvent tanks or ultrasonic tanks, let me know in the comments below what you think. What's your favorite solvent or cleaning methods for parts like this and other engine pieces. I do have a full engine rebuild that I have to do later on, so this is going to see quite a bit of use in cleaning the parts before I install them into the engine. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys do, because I'm always interested in hearing what other people do, see if I can make my methods more effective or faster at any rate. So yeah, I'll wait for this to warm up and then I'll go ahead and get started. Just in case you're wondering, I did fit a small rubber fitting onto this vacuum module so I don't get any solvent inside of here and damage the diaphragm. I could also just, unbolt this thing. But again, I really want to just have an experiment, so I do have new ones of these in case this does damage this module. But for now, I'm just looking for external conditions of cleanliness here. Alright, so the tank is up to temperature. You can see I put my solvent in this bag, distributors in the bag, so now I'm just going to go ahead and drop it into the tank and start the timer. Alright, timer's finished, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and then I'll take this distributor out of here. But yeah, it's nice and steamy hot. Well, the bag seems to have held up. That's nice. It's already looking a lot cleaner in there. I'm just going to pour out all the solvent back into this cup here. All right, let's have a look. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I think just a small toothbrush and some of these tighter crevices, but yeah, it's a big improvement over what it started out as. There's a little bit of dirt in those right there, but still, the fact that it's this clean and I didn't have to scrub it, that seems like a win right there. So I'll get this cleaned up in the sink and dry it off, and I'll take the cap off and see what it looks like in there. So here's the parts inside, all rinsed off nicely. I wasn't too worried about the inside of this because I need to take it all apart and go through the process of recurving it, but yeah, I'm really impressed. The only dirt that was in here was basically hiding behind the screw heads between the two case halves here. Yeah, looks great. I do think I did clean up some of the inside of this cap as well, because it just looks too nice in here to not have been cleaned by the ultrasonic tank. So that was kind of a nice bonus. Same thing with the inside of this. It just has that nice clean look. So anyway, yeah, I'm really pleased with the condition of these parts after that ultrasonic tank cleaning. So if you guys thought this video was interesting or helpful, let me know in the comments below. Like I said before, if you have ideas of what to do with the solvent tank or the ultrasonic tank and what you use with it, let me know down below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.